This is the emergency warning transmitted by the pleasure of United States of America. The must-regarded states must take precautions immediately. The following states are: New York, Pennsylvania, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, Kentucky, Tennessee, and Ohio. This states must precaution immediately. In the past few days, there is an alien-like thing that shaped into television called VV. He got furious because of low rate of views, likes and subscriptions in this YouTube channel. To avoid, like recent videos in this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Comment at least one post or a video. If you do, VV will skip you. But if you don't, VV will create a wormhole, sucking up to his digital eternity, and you will not be a person in the world. You have only 30 minutes to survive. Stay safe, good luck.